Welcome to OpenHouse. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mustafa. So I'm holding a master degree and a PhD all about dissertation situation. I am teaching for 15 years, including the college level. And also I have experience on the boot camp. I had two different bootcamp experiences, one for the Python, one for the Java. I have one startup experience, and currently I am with Walmart. I'm in the Walmart project. I'm in the industry right now, and I had two consultant experience for two separate projects. We are teaching Python B, simply second part of the Python series. We are starting with the very fundamentals, the arithmetic operations, and some data structures and the naming rules, etc. And then we are starting the building some projects. So main idea for the 101B is no matter how small it is, start with the project like a working project. Maybe very simple one like a number guessing game. Maybe it's very simple, but after all, it's a working project. The kids they can enjoy. For the future ones, for the upcoming courses, we are advancing the projects one by one. Simply, they are building larger and more complex projects. Most of the time, yes, the game based or some kind of fun projects. And sometimes we have a projects like inventory search or inventory management, kind of real world problems as well. Every single homework is gonna be listed here. I believe Momentum Learning, they are already registering you here. So every single week we have either homework or quiz or both. Sometimes like a sample code they need to modify, because I believe this is the part of the real world situation. Because as a software engineer, sometimes we need to maintain the current code, or the code belongs to somebody else. I believe this is a good practice to learn to manage somebody else's code as well in the future, to be able to contribute to any projects. And sometimes just running the code and seeing the results and kind of tweaking it, updating it. We have that kind of assignments and the quizzes. We updated that one. Tinker is the new one. Basically, that's an online IDE. You can run your project, and you don't have to worry about like losing any data, any file. The students virtually they can run everywhere on their phone, on their tablet, on their desktop, laptop, you name it. If you have a compatible browser, even on your fridge, I don't know, on your car, everywhere it's possible. So I think this is good for them, because in that way we can eliminate all those environment creations and other stuff. What is the real focus here? Okay, it doesn't matter the student wants to be a coder, software engineer, programmer or not. It doesn't matter. Core part of the course is problem solving, algorithm, the problem solving of the machine way. Computational thinking is the core. I can say all those listed solutions beside that one can be like on top of the list here also, as the same way. And of course, they are learning some fundamentals of computer science. Yeah, how computer works, how computer executes all those lines of codes and etc. Those kind of stuff we are covering. At the end of the course, we are solving some lead code questions, easy ones, but at least to give them some confidence, they can solving during the course time. Our sample questions versus the one with the HackerRank or the lead code. Some of them they are close to easy ones. Some of them they are way easier, especially at the beginning. But again, at the end of the course, we are solving some code questions from the leadcode.com as well. Those are the stuff. I will go a little fast since we don't have a lot of time, but again, we can exceed no problem. Maybe we can show from the Trinket what we have done with the kids last year. Hold on. I think this is for the B. Yeah, this is one of the fun games. So yeah, we have 3 separate files. I'm teaching that one as well, kinda preparation for the architecturing as well. How they're supposed to manage the whole code and how they're supposed to design their flow and the whole thing as well. It doesn't matter. It's very simple or complicated, complex system. It doesn't matter. Yeah, this is one example here. Since that's a testing thing, it's giving us the word itself. Yeah, so it's gonna be okay. But if you put something, then Hangman will keep going. So we have other projects like a memory game and other stuff as well. All right, thank you for your time. You can email me. You can reach Momentum Learning anytime if you have any question. So for the spring semester, I am looking forward to meet with the new students and having fun with them. Thank you so much.